up, my babies? Listen, I'm breaking out really bad. I know. Let's just not say anything about it, okay? Just shh. So guys, guess what? I'm doing something really exciting today. Something so exciting. I'm going to see some pals. You may or may not know them. The Exercise Physiologist, Iron Musket, and Ethan Harrell. Let's go. I'm going to Texas, baby. Yeehaw! Can't wait to meet them all in the flesh. Let's go catch the flight. Go on this adventure. It's gonna be a really exciting video, so I hope you guys are excited. Get fucking excited. Let's go. Look who I found.
What up?
Whole squad.
Yeah. Yo, what up, Soul? Fucking it up. Yo, what up, Swole Squad? We in here. The Avengers are uniting. We're still waiting for one more.
One more Avenger.
One more Avenger.
Un más.
Un más. Un fam. Are we here?
We out here.
We are in the Mama Swole vlog. We just got out of Kroger. Loaded up on shit.
Lots of shit.
Lots of
We should
goodies.
take a video of that.
Yeah, we'll do a little grocery haul or something.
Look how cute their Airbnb is.
That right there is the piece of resistance right there.
Oh my god.
Isn't that horrible?
No, that's amazing. I love that. I like the mushrooms.
Not the
Pretty.
mushrooms, yeah.
That's why I
That's
like
why
it.
it's the best Airbnb right here.
How is this lighting? Is this
Goon
the
lighting right here.
Goon lighting?
Yup.
Hey.
Thumbnail.
Thumbnail. Look at Ed. This is our cactus, Ed. Real quick.
Fuck that.
Give him a flex.
Bro.
You got that lighting right
I'm
now.
trying to mock anybody.
Welcome to the Swole Squad grocery haul. Today we got eggs.
We got vlogception going on.
Very nice.
Wow.
This is content. Get my life together. You gotta get your life
Spying on you.
vlog off. Alright. Another guy just works during the day. I got.
They don't even know. They literally don't even know. Just wait for them to notice.
Sniper?
Yeah. Hi. Finally made it to my Airbnb and it's literally so nice. Look at this.
Whoa.
So nice. Pretty. I love it. Look who we found.
What up?
Hey.
Hey.
Grab someone along the way.
Damn, we're actually here.
Shit. We have arrived at Alphalete and it's loud as fuck in here. So we're probably not gonna talk much. Just train some chest, baby. Let's get it. That's gonna wrap up the little video for today, folks. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure you give it a like. Subscribe to join the Swole Squad. Comment below the word fun, because this has been so fun so far. If you would like to support me on Patreon for just $2 a month, link is in the description. Shout out to my patrons, I love you so much. If you'd like to support me on Venmo, fuck, can I talk? If you'd like to support me on Venmo, Cash App, or PayPal, link is also in the description. I have merch, I have workout programs on MamaSwole.com. It's all in the links. It's fuck, I really can't talk. It's all in the description below. I will see you guys in the next one. Have a good ass day.
Had to get my weight up, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hey.
Weight in the cake up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn up in the gym, know I'm calling Mama Swole. Bad little shawty, and you know I'm on a roll.
Press like an empress. That shit slaps. No one to impress, bitch. Find me on the guest list. Got that Louis V necklace. Subscribe to the Mama
Mama Swole channel. Even if your name is random. Got it lit like a candle. Catch me swerving in the Lambo.